I want you to write down 6 questions. You will interview 6 different people and ask them one question, right? So you ask your friend, hi, what is your name? Write down your friend's name. And then you ask the question and write in their answers. You can ask any question. What's your favorite food? What's your hobby? Where are you from? What did you do for summer vacation? Where's your hometown? What's your favorite music? So some ideas. When is your birthday? When is your favorite day of the year? Tell me about your family. What is your favorite clothing? What is your perfect weekend? Your perfect holiday? What is your favorite movie? Favorite music? What celebrity do you like? What singer do you like? What music do you listen to? What makes you happy? Write down 6 questions. You can write the full sentence, or you could just write down food, or you could just write down celebrity. Do you have a pet? What is your favorite weather or season? Where do you want to travel to in the future? You're going so fast. I want you to tell me about one friend. So you can say Eric's hobby is okay. Remember, this apostrophe S means that it belongs to someone. So you can say Eric's hobby is, Eric's favorite thing is. Okay. Let's see. Let's start this side.
My friend Young's favorite brand is Converse.
Excellent. Nice. You could just say like Eric's momo.
태환's favorite food is pizza.
Good.
약간 원준's favorite festival is San Francisco.
Very nice.